What if I told you there's a lake on Earth that can turn animals into stone? Not in a fantasy movie, not in mythology, but right here, on our planet. And that's just the beginning. From places where gravity feels weaker to deserts that were once green, the world is filled with things that sound impossible, but are completely real. Get ready, because reality is stranger than fiction. Fact 1. The lake that turns animals to stone. In Tanzania, there's a lake called Lake Natron. At first glance, it looks beautiful, bright red and pink waters. But the lake contains extremely high levels of salt and alkaline minerals. When animals fall into it, the water can preserve their bodies, making them look like stone statues. It's not magic, it's chemistry, and it's real. Fact 2. A place where gravity is weaker. In parts of Canada, specifically around Hudson Bay, gravity is slightly weaker than the rest of the world. Scientists discovered this happened because of massive ice sheets that once covered the area thousands of years ago. You wouldn't float, but technically you'd weigh just a little bit less. In Japan, there's a small island called Okunoshima. It's home to hundreds of friendly rabbits. No predators, just rabbits roaming freely, approaching tourists for food. It feels almost unreal. Fact 4. The Sahara was once green. The Sahara Desert is now one of the driest places on Earth. But thousands of years ago, it was filled with rivers, grasslands, and wildlife. Ancient cave paintings show giraffes and crocodiles living where sand now dominates. Earth changes more than we realize. Fact 5. The tallest mountain isn't what you think. Most people believe the tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, and from sea level, that's true. But measured from its base underwater to its peak, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller. It's just mostly hidden beneath the ocean. Fact 6. The underwater waterfall. Near Mauritius, there appears to be a massive underwater waterfall. From above, it looks like the ocean is pouring into a deep hole. It's actually an optical illusion created by sand and ocean currents. But it looks absolutely surreal. Fact 7. Antarctica is a desert. Even though it's covered in ice, Antarctica is technically the largest desert on Earth. Why? Because it receives very little rainfall. Desert doesn't mean hot, it means dry. Fact 8. More trees than stars. There are an estimated 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Sometimes what's around us is more incredible than what's above us. The world isn't just big, it's unbelievable, and we've only scratched the surface. If this surprised you, imagine what else is out there. Subscribe, because the next fact might be even crazier.